Hi everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04. Docker is a platform as a service tool that uses OS level virtualization to create, deploy and run applications inside containers. System on which we install Docker software and run containers is known as Docker engine. Docker comes in two different editions, Community Edition and the Enterprise Edition. Community is open source, Enterprise Edition is commercial one. In this tutorial, we will go with the Community Edition. To install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04, following are the prerequisites. We must have pre-installed Ubuntu 22.04 or higher, a regular user with sudo rights, internet connectivity. Docker installation steps are as follows. First, we will install Docker dependencies. Then we will configure Docker official app repository. After that, we will use apt command to install Docker engine. And in the end, we will validate the Docker installation. Let's jump into the actual step. Open the terminal, run sudo apt update. This will update system package index. Okay, next we will install the Docker dependencies. I have already prepared a set of commands that would be used in this tutorial. I would be sharing these commands in the video's description. So to install Docker dependencies, use this command. Copy this and paste it on the terminal. Press -y in the end. So this command will install Docker dependencies. Okay, the next step is to add Docker official gnupg-key. Run this curl command. Okay. The next step is to add the Docker repository. Use the following echo command. Copy this and paste it on the terminal. Okay. Now we are all set to install Docker engine. Run following apt commands. Sudo update okay. Okay, this command will install Docker engine along with the other dependencies. Sorry, my bad. Okay, Docker engine has been installed. Now, if you want your local user to run Docker commands without sudo, then it is recommended to add your local user to the Docker group. Run this command. Now to make these changes into the effect, run newgrp and Docker. Now if you do ID, you will see our local user is a part of Docker group. Okay. Now verify the Docker version. To verify the Docker version, run docker version. Okay, you can see the client version is 23 and engine version is also 23.0.1. Okay, The next step is to verify the Docker service is up and running or not. Run sudo systemctl status docker. Okay. The output confirms that it is up and running. To validate this Docker installation, run a hello world container. For this, run the command docker run hello world. You see, by default, Docker tries to find this image locally in the system. If it is not available in locally, then it will pull the this image from the Docker Hub registry. So when this hello world container spins up, it will display the following informational message. This message confirms that our Docker installation is successful and it has been configured correctly. That's all from this video tutorial. I hope you have found it useful. Kindly do post your feedback and queries in below comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.